Hello, my name is Rebecca Reel, and I have a song today called Call Me. And it's under the topic of how technology brings us together and pulls us apart. We have our phones and can send messages, but does that really bring us the connection that we are looking for? And every word in this song is based on a true story. Every time I see you running around, I don't get how you behave. I can't believe you only smile, wave, and say hey. Then you wait till you get home and you're feeling all alone. You pick up the phone and send it out, but you won't call me. Every time I grab my phone, your name is on the screen. What's up, baby? How are you? I don't know what that means. If you want to learn about my day, you'll need to find another way. There's not room on this phone for me to say, why don't you call me? You could pick up the phone today. Why don't you call me? And we'll carry on in the old school way. Why don't you call me? To answer it, I'm gonna guarantee. Every time I read your words, I have to think it through. What it means to me, it doesn't mean it meant the same to you. I cannot read your mind. I wish that you would take the time to dial me up on the line. Why don't you call me? Every time that you get mad and start to type those words, I wish that you understood there's another way to be heard. Don't catch me by surprise. I need to look you in the eye. I wonder why don't you call me? You could pick up the phone today. Why don't you call me? And we'll carry on in the old school way. Why don't you call me? To answer it, I'm gonna guarantee. But if you send another message, I'll tell you how it's gonna be. I'll delete it right now. I'll delete it right here today. I'll delete it right now. I'll make it all go away. Unless you call me. Put that phone to your ear, oh baby, call me. Before this gets weird, if you don't call me, I'll hear you